Hello children, welcome back once again to our fifth session. So wherein we shall be discussing today about the section formula in the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, now to get this formula called the section formula, let us consider 2 points, say A and B. For A the coordinates are x1, y1 and for B the coordinates are x2, y2. Now imagine we have joined these 2 points and imagine another point P whose coordinates are xy lying on AB. Okay. Now this point Pxy is dividing AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay. Now from A draw perpendicular AR, again from P draw perpendicular PS, and from B draw perpendicular BT on the x-axis. Okay. Now again draw AQ and PC which are parallel to the x-axis. Okay. Now let us see how we can derive this formula called section formula. Now here if you observe carefully, we are having 2 triangles here. One is PAQ and the other is BPC. Both these triangles, they are similar to each other. Okay, triangle PAQ is similar to triangle BPC. How they are similar we have learnt already by AAA corollary, angle corollary. Okay, that we have learnt in the lower classes, and now we shall directly use this. These 2 triangles are similar to each other. When 2 triangles are similar to each other, we know that the ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. So here this PA in triangle PAB by BP in triangle BPC is equal to AQ by PC, AQ by PC, and then this is again equal to PQ by BC. Okay, what I have written is the ratio of the corresponding sides of both the triangles are equal. Okay, now AQ. So what is AQ? From A to Q, this one AQ. AQ is nothing but equal to RS. AQ is equal to RS. Okay. What is RS again equal to? RS is equal to OS minus OR. OS minus OR. What is OS again? From here to here it is X, and from here to here it is X1. So X minus X1. Then again PC. What is PC? PC, this part. This is equal to ST. Okay. Now again, what is ST equal to? OT minus OS. OT minus OS. OT here is equal to X2. OS it is equal to X. So it is X2 minus X. Okay. Similarly, PQ, this part. PQ is equal to this one. Here to here it's equal to PS minus QS. Here PS minus QS. So PS it is Y. Okay. Minus QS it is Y1. Here this point it is Y1. So Y minus Y1. Then again BC. This is equal to BT minus CT. BC. This is equal to BT minus CT. What is BT? It is Y2. What about this C here? CT. It is equal to Y here. This is equal to Y. So Y2 minus Y. Now we shall consider these 2 parts first. PA by BP. PA by BP. PA it is equal to M1. BP it is equal to M2. So m1 by m2. This is equal to, here AQ, x minus x1 by PC, x2 minus x. Cross multiplying, we get m1 into x2 minus m1 into x is equal to m2 into x minus m2 into x1. Now here I am writing like terms on one side of the equality. Okay, so I have taken this to the other side here. So this is plus m1x. In these two terms, x is in common, so I have written x here within brackets m1 plus m2. So finally we get x. X is equal to this one, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This is x coordinate. Okay. Now again consider this and this part. Okay. So again m1 by m2 is equal to pq by bc. PQ, it is y minus y1, by BC it is y minus y2 minus y. Same process we are employing here, that is we are simply cross multiplying and writing the like terms on one side. So here y is in common, so if I want y here, how am I to get it done? This is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So what I have got is y coordinate. So x coordinate is there, y coordinate is there. Both put together the point P, okay, whose coordinates are xy, is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, this is what is called the section formula, okay, which gives us about the coordinates of the point P, which divides the join of AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, now we will do few problems in order to understand it in a proper way. Okay. Okay, children. See, I have selected one problem. Okay, I am going to read this one. See, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, so what is that we have to find? We have to find the coordinates of the point, okay, which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3. In which ratio? In the ratio 2 is to 3. Okay, see how we are going to proceed. Okay, let the points be. Let the points be A -1, 7 and B 4, -3. Then again, given ratio. What is the ratio given? M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 3. This is the ratio. Okay. Now, let the point dividing be Pxy. Let the point be Pxy. Okay. Now we have to find the coordinates of this point P, that is x and y. Okay, which divides the join of these two in the ratio 2 is to 3. So for this we use the section formula which we have learned. What is the section formula? Pxy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Okay, this part relates to x, this part relates to y. Okay, now say how to solve this problem. Now here this is equal to m1. What is m1? It is 2. So 2 into x2. See what is x2? Here this is x1, y1, x2, y2. This is how we can write for the sake of simplicity. Okay, m1, x2. x2 is 4 plus, what about m2? It is 3. M2 x1. So x1 is minus 1 by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. Then again comma, we can write big brackets here. Same again, m1 it is 2. This time it is y2. What is y2? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus m1 it is m2 it is 3. Then y1, what about y1? It is 7. Okay, now I am closing this bracket by here as usual 2 plus 3, m1 plus m2. Just simplification. 4 2s 8, 3 1s 3. Okay, plus into minus it is minus by 5, comma. Similarly here 3 into 2 is 6, plus into minus is minus, plus 3 into 7 is 21 divided by 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now 8 minus 3 it is 5 divided by 5, comma. 21 minus 6 it is 15. 21 minus 6 is 15. Okay, by 5. Now you see 5 ones, 5 ones, 5 ones, 5 2. 1 by 1 is 1, comma. 3 by 1 is 3. So this is the point Pxy. So Pxy is equal to 1, 3. Okay. So this is the point Pxy. Okay, which divides the join of A minus 1 7 and B 4 minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. I hope you have understood this problem. Okay. Now we will proceed to solve one more problem. Okay children, see once again we are having one more problem here. So here this is also application of the section formula which we have learnt earlier. Now go through the question here. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. This time the 2 points given are 4 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. Now we have to find the points of trisection. So here points of trisection means the points which divide the line segment into 3 equal parts. Once again I am repeating, what is point of trisection? Point of trisection is a point which divides a given line segment into 3 equal parts. Okay, so now let us imagine this is a line. This is A whose coordinates are 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, and see this is a point B whose coordinates are 2 minus 3. We have joined these two to get a line segment AB. Now we will divide into 3 equal parts. Up to here, say, up to here one part. This is P and this is Q. 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay. So this P is a point of trisection here. Q is also a point of trisection. Now we have to find the coordinates of this point P and the coordinates of this point Q. Okay. Now here, if we imagine this point, it divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:1 plus 1, 2. Here this is one part and 1 plus 1 this is 2 part. Again if we consider this point Q, okay, this point Q divides AB in the ratio 1 plus 1, 2 is to this part 1, 2:1. Okay, now M1 is to M2 for P is 1:2 and for Q M1 is to M2 is 2:1. Okay, now let us consider or let the points be. Let the points be. What are the points? Let the points be A 4 minus 1 and B minus 2 minus 3. Okay. Now see P is a point now. point of trisection. It is dividing AB in the ratio M1 is to M2, which is equal to 1 is to 3. Let the ratio be. Let the ratio M1 is to M2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Okay, in which P divides AB. Okay. Now, how to find? First write section formula. What is section formula? P xy is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 y1. Sorry, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, this is a section formula. Okay, now here what is M1 now? M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. So 1 into x2. This is x1 as usual. Okay, x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, M1 x2. x2 is minus 2 plus M2. M2 is 2 into x1. It is 4 by 1 plus 2. Okay, comma. Then again, M1 it is 1 into y2. y2 is minus 3 plus M2 it is 2 into y1 it is minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, now see here, minus 2 into 1, you may write this as minus 2. Then again here, plus 2 into 4, it is 6 by 1 plus 2 is 3, comma 1 into minus 3, you know, minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 by again it is 3. Okay, now just simplification. 6 minus 2 it is 4 by 3. Here this is minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Let us once again go through the problem. Somewhere we have done mistake. Okay, so here this is 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is 8 here. Let us correct this one. This is 2 4 8. Okay, then 8 into, this is 1 into 2, 2. 8 minus 2 it is 6 now. Okay, see 3 1s, 3 2s. So this is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So this is one point P which divides AB in the ratio 1 is to 2, or we may even call it as a point of trisection. Point of trisection. So now again we can similarly find the coordinates of Q. Now here Q, it divides in the ratio 2 is to 1. Okay, we will see how we can get the coordinates of the point Q, okay, which is dividing AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So once again, now I am cleaning this part now here. Okay, the formula remains same, section formula. Okay, here the ratio will change. Now it is 2 is to 1. Okay. Now, what is M1? M1 is 2 now. M1 is 2. Here, instead of P, we are writing Q. So M1 is 2. 2 into x2. x2 is same. It is minus 2. Plus M2. M2 is 1 into x1. x1 is 4 divided by M1 plus M2. 2 plus 1. Then again, comma. Again M1 is 2. Y2. Y2 is minus 3 plus M2. M2 is 1 into y1. What is y1? Minus 1. Then again divided by 2 plus 1. Now simplification once again. 2 into 2, 4, plus into minus, minus, here, plus 1 into 4 is 4, by, it is 3, okay, then 2 into 3 is 6, plus into minus is minus, again here, plus, 1 into 1 is 1, plus into minus is minus, so I am writing here minus, divided by 2 plus 1 is same, 3. Okay. 4 minus 4, 0 by 3. Then here it is minus 6, minus 1, minus 7 by 3. So 0 by anything, you know very well it is 0, comma, minus 7 by 3. So this is the point Q. Okay, XY, which divides the join of AB in the ratio 2:1, or we may simply call it as Q as a point of trisection. Here P is a point of trisection and Q is also a point of trisection. Earlier we have found the coordinates of P. Okay, now this time we have found the coordinates of Q. Both are the points of trisection. Okay, thank you. I hope you have very well understood the topic, and once again we will meet in the next session. Till then, bye.